Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image 4 or 5 years ago and this is colorized yesterday and actually this is the base image. And I made black and white image from that base image and I changed the color to sepia tone, this kind of color. This is the base I made yesterday and I add color. Then this is kind of a little bit cool color, so I duplicate this color blend mode layer again to get this dark color image to finish up yesterday. Then I usually use this pencil drawing type image, made by Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Find Edges. I'm gonna change blend mode, normal to luminosity, to get this kind of image, illustration type image, which I really like. This is illustration type image I usually use to combine some with the original base image to get something creative image. That's what I do usually. Then this time, again, same way. I'm gonna fix this color image first though. So I'm gonna make group these two colors layer and then original sepia image. Now make group and duplicate this group. Now flatten this image to get this color image as a base image for today's subject. Let's get started. I'm going to change name. Alright, now I'm going to change this luminosity effect layer. I really like this image. Yeah, and also let's see, change blend mode to see this overlay. Look at this. This is pretty cool too. Pretty nice. About 50%. Nice costume, dress color, and nice cast colors of background. And also I'm going to change this overlay to, let's see, like color burn. Color burn's pretty nice too. About 40, 35. Let's see, what else? Yeah, I think I like overlay and color burn. Color image is 100% max normal. Then pencil drawing type image, change to overlay. Blend mode overlay and let's see, about 30 or 35. That's nice, yeah. Then let's see, lighten. Can you see this reddish color here? That's cool. Okay, I want to keep this, so let's see. This is the base image I want to use. So, okay, I'm going to duplicate this new color image and I'm going to duplicate this pencil drawing type image. Then move up, change blend mode to overlay, about 50, 35. Okay, make it 40. Alright, march down. Now this is overlay effect, right? Overlay effect. Okay, turn it off now. Then let's see, luminosity effect layer. This is the base image. I don't want to change. if I change this pencil drawing type image to color burn, goes so dark, about 50, huh? Maybe again 40, still a little bit dark. Well, this is overlay effect layer, which is not bad, but I want shadow to be a little bit dark like this color burn effect. Well, this is not bad. Okay, I don't know, I want to compare later, so I'm gonna make group with this color burn 30, go with 35, pretty much dark, yeah. Okay, make group, duplicate this group, then flatten this image, which is color burn effect layer. Alright, we got two effective layers. One is overlay effect, and then the other one is color burn effect. Alright, just keep it. But I'm gonna change this pencil drawing type image blend mode max to change luminosity as a base image. Okay, I'm gonna make this is a base image, luminosity effect layer. Alright. Okay, now from here I want to make mask. I want this outlines pencil drawing type image. I really love this. So, but I want to see this overlay effect colors some part. So I'm gonna make mask, then invert mask. Now how am I gonna reveal this mask to show this luminosity and overlay effect layer, right? Okay, now let's see, choose the brush. Yeah, I like evolve. Let me try to use this. Yeah. I want to show this image. Yeah, I think I want to show this color burn effect image over this overlay effect layer. So I'm gonna move this one up, then make mask. Now invert mask. Then now change the brush to sketching to Bonobo chalk. Well, I think I finished. This is pretty cool. I like this. Yeah. Look at this. I had this original image I made black and white. Then after that I changed the color of the base image, original sepia tone. Black and white to this sepia tone color. Then I add color to get today's today's base color image. Then I add pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to luminosity to get this base image. And I add overlay effect layer over this image, which is this much with mask. Then I add color burn effect image over this image, which is this much, just to emphasize some shadow areas. Well, that's it for today, and I kind of like this, yes. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. I find out the image I like is, well, this kind of illustration image. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Let's be creative, huh? Alright.